Hello students, today in class 4 our subject is social studies and the topic is festivals of India. So let's start this worksheet. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Raksha Bandhan is a religious festival. So we will write religious here. Next is Dashera. Dashera is the symbol of victory of good over evil. Next, people decorate their home by lighting diyas and candles. So we will write diyas and candles on Diwali. Next, Dash is the festival of colors. So, Holi is the festivals of colors. Next, Dash festival is celebrated in Manipur for 6 days. So, Yaosang is the festival which is celebrated in Manipur for 6 days. Question number 2. Mark correct or wrong. First is Dashera celebrates Shri Rama's victory over Ravana. So this is a correct. Durga Puja is also celebrated on the day of Dashera. This is also correct. Diwali is celebrated in the joy of Shri Ramchandra's return to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. This is a correct statement. Christmas is celebrated on 24th December. This is wrong because Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. On Eid, people pay namaz to Allah in a mosque and celebrate. This is a correct statement. The sacrifice of Hassan and Hussein is associated with Muharram. This is a correct statement. The story of the devotee Prahlad is associated with Holi. This is a correct statement. Gujia is a sweet usually eaten on Holi. This is also a correct statement. Question number 3. Which story is associated with Deepavali and how is Deepavali celebrated at your home? So we can write, to celebrate Rama's return to Ayodhya, Ayodhya's people lit up their houses with earthen lamps or diyas, burst crackers and decorated the entire city in the grandest manner. This is believed to have started the tradition of Diwali. Diwali is celebrated every year by lighting diyas and worshipping God Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi. Question number 4. Which festival is associated with colors? Write the story associated with it. As we know that festival associated with color is Holi, so we have to write the story associated with Holi. Holi is associated with colors. Holi has derived from the demon king Hiranyakashyap's sister Holika. Hiranyakashyap had a blessing from the Lord Vishnu that he won't get killed by any animal or human being, and he wants everyone to worship him rather than any other god, which made him angry because of his own son Prahlad worshipping Lord Krishna knowingly of his father wants him to be worshipped. Holika then made Prahlad sit with her in a fire in order to hurt him, whereas she put a blanket around herself in order to protect herself from the fire. Fortunately, blanket flew over to Prahlad and Holika got burnt alive. That is why we celebrate Holika Dahan, which is victory of good over evil, a night before Holi. Coming to the next question, question number 5. Look at the following pictures and write the names of the festival. So in the first picture we see that there are a lot of colors. So the festival associated with color is Holi. So we will write Holi, Holi. In the next picture we see there are a lot of diyas or earthen lamps. So this is associated with Deepavali. So we will write Deepavali. The next picture is associated with Raksha Bandhan. So we will write here Raksha Bandhan. The next picture is associated with Eid. So we will write Eid. So this worksheet is complete here. Do not forget to like, share the video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.